Floating ball valve. Floating ball valve has two sealing seats. There is a ball between the seats. Body can rotate inside the seat ring by stem. When the valve is open, the ball holes line up with the pipeline, ensuring the minimum flow resistance of the pipeline. When the stem levels up to 90 degrees, the ball hole is vertical to the valve channel, making the ball closely impacted into the seat ring on the exit end by medium pressure, what makes sure the good sealing of the valve. The advantages of floating ball valves are as follows. 1. Precise finishing of valve open close part, coating of the ball surface, smooth contact surface, tiny friction, easy handling on and off, applicable for frequent operations. 2. Small resistance. When the ball valve is open, the section areas of ball channel, body channel, and the connection pipeline are the same. The medium flowing through the ball valve is equal to flowing through the section of direct piping. The flow resistance of the ball valve is minimum, as all kinds of valves. 3. Comparing to other kinds of valves, ball valves share the advantages of simple structure, small volume, small installation space, lightweight, easy maintenance, etc. 4. It's not limited to the valve installation direction. The medium can flow through the valve in both directions. 5. No vibration or noise when operating the valve. 6. Precise casting of the valve castings. Fine appearance. Main technical specification of floating ball valves. Design standard API 6D BS 5351 GBT 12237 DN 1 2 inches to 8 inches DN 15 to DN 200 PN Class 150 to Class 600 Main material carbon steel, stainless steel, two-way stainless steel, titanium products, etc. Seat material PTFE, nylon, carbon fiber, PPL, PEEK, etc. Operation manual, gear, motor, pneumatic, etc. The structure characteristics of floating ball valves, which is made by VARC, are as follows. 1. Switch indication of valve. The head of stem is shaped flat. That's too easily distinguished whether the valve is on position or off position. When handle of stem deployed as in a parallel with the pipe axis, valve is at on position. When handle or stem flat is vertical to the pipe axis, valve is at off position. 2. Valve locking device. To prevent improper operation, the fully open or closed position of valve can be locked up, especially when valves are mounted outdoors or valves are not allowed to be opened or closed by technical process. 3. Valve anti-static device. When operating the valve, the friction between the ball and the non-metal seat will produce electrostatic charge that will be accumulated on the ball. To prevent static spark, an anti-static device is placed on the valve to derive the electric charge from the static channel between the ball and the stem or between the ball and the body. 4. Anti-blowout structure of valve stem. When medium passes through the valve, the high pressure in the pipeline may damage the stem. This will cause accidents. To prevent these possibilities, a complex plate is placed at the lower part of the stem. In this case, even if the packing is damaged, the complex plate of stem can closely contact to the seal face to prevent the stem fly out. At the same time, it prevents medium leaking out from the damaged packing. 5. Fire protection of the seat. In case of fire, the non-metal material of the seat will be burned. Extensive medium leaking may possibly cause fire spread. The fire protection structure function is to prevent the medium from much leaking. The ball valves, made by VARC, are provided by a metal fire protection layer on the seat face. Once the seal is burned, The ball will directly contact with the metal face from the body, thus to prevent medium from leaking out. The valve fire protection structure design is according to API 607, API 6FA. 6. Middle cavity self-relieving structure. The medium in the middle cavity may have abnormal arising pressure caused by a medium temperature changing in piping system. In this occasion, medium in the cavity will be relieved automatically and thus realize self-relieving function. This will be very helpful for